The Department of Telecommunication is likely to announce changes in the rules of the telecom industry. The much needed changes are expected to help the industry in launching 5G services. Notably, the industry is following the rules of Indian Wireless Telegraph Fee Act 1933 and the Indian Telegraphy Act 1884. However, the technology has changed a lot in last 2 decades, which is why Department of Telecommunication is planning to make some changes in the current policies. The Department of Telecommunication also asked National Law University to frame new regulations or rules for 5G network. The ministry said that it is engaging National Law University of Delhi to analyze all modification and changes due to the arrival of new technologies. Besides, the report said the ministry has given 4 months to National Law University to prepare the entire draft. The whole draft will have machine-to-machine learning, Internet of Things and more to start 5G use cases in India. The upcoming reforms are likely to promote innovation and will help 5G networks to grow in the country. Furthermore, the new legislation will have machine-to-machine communication along with IoT. Now I'll tell you when 5G will launch in India. The 5G network is expected to launch in mid-2022. Despite the fact that both Airtel and Jio claims that they will launch services by the end of this year. Besides, the government has not sold the 5G band in the auction. So this question is bit tricky, or you can say difficult, that when 5G services will be available in the country. Guys, now I'll tell you some plans of leading telecom operators such as Reliance Jio, Airtel, Vodafone Idea on upcoming 5G services. Both Airtel and Reliance Jio are likely to take a lead in front of 5G as they have spent a huge money on buying spectrum in the auction. On the other hand, Vodafone Idea is focusing only upgrading the 3G network to offer 4G services proper in the country. Guys, apart from that, you'll be surprised to know that Reliance Jio and Airtel are gearing up for the 5G network, as both operators have set up towers in Mumbai despite the spectrum bands set to be available by mid-2022. But still, both leading operators have set up towers in Mumbai and Hyderabad under the pre-release category as per Network Measuring Service Ookla. The firm also said that there are 21,996 5G towers across the globe. The network measuring firm said that all towers are listed under the pre-release category on a testing phase. This means that it is not available or accessible for customers. On the other hand, Airtel announced that it has already completed the 5G testing in Hyderabad, which has been shown by Ookla 5G map, while Reliance Jio towers have been set in Mumbai, which is on a testing phase through its in-house 5G equipment. Similarly, both Reliance Jio and Airtel have announced that both are capable of launching 5G service in the country. However, the Department of Telecommunication hosted the spectrum auction last week, where no one bought 700 MHz band, which is also mean that there is no update on selling the 5G airwaves in the country. Guys, that's all from our side for today. Keep watching Gizbot for all latest tech related updates and news. Stay tuned.